Guys, if you're considering Earthlink as your internet provider, let's break down what they offer, the pros, the cons, and how it compares to the other internet service providers on the market, guys. Earthlink has actually been around since the 90s, okay, and it's known for its reliable connections and its expansive service area across the US. Okay, one of the big selling points actually is that they offer fiber internet, guys. Fiber internet, okay? Which is known for being faster and more stable than a traditional DSL or cable, with speeds ranging, guys, from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, guys. 1 gigabytes per second. Now they've even gone to 5,000 Mbps, guys. Earthlink's fiber plans, they cater well to both casual users and heavy internet users, who stream in 4K, game, or have multiple devices connected at once. However, guys, Earthlink doesn't actually build or maintain its network, okay? Instead, they lease infrastructure from other providers, which is pretty common, but it can affect pricing and service depending on the region, all right? Now, pricing wise, Earthlink tends to be slightly higher than some other ISPs, especially with their fiber plans. But with that comes an added benefit, guys. Earthlink is known for not having data caps. No data caps, guys. This is a major advantage. For those who rely on the internet for work or maybe streaming, large file transfers, maybe you love downloading a lot of stuff, as you won't get hit with any extra charges for exceeding monthly data limits, guys. This can make a big difference, guys, compared to some providers who may actually throttle your speed or charge extra once you hit a cap. Another notable point is Earthlink's commitment to customer service, guys. Okay, listen, many ISPs usually, many internet service providers usually get flagged for poor customer service, but Earthlink is often reviewed as having more responsive and helpful support teams, guys. Okay, they offer 24/7 support, which can be reassuring for anyone needing reliable help when an issue arises. And there are also a few downsides to keep in mind, though. One is that Earthlink is not available everywhere, and the service can actually vary depending on whether they're using leased fiber infrastructure or DSL lines in your area. Look, a DSL, for example, doesn't offer nearly the same speeds as fiber, which may impact performance for those in rural areas where fiber isn't available yet. Another consideration, guys, is that Earthlink requires a contract, okay, usually for 12 months, okay? While the contracts come with a price lock guarantee, which means that your rates won't increase for the length of the contract, there can be early, termination fees if you decide to cancel it before it ends, guys. Overall, I think, Earthlink is actually a solid option. If you're looking for a no data provider with good customer support and are in an area where fiber is available, okay, there's no data caps. So the higher price may actually be worth it, guys, for users, who want uninterrupted high-speed connection without worrying about data limits. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option or don't mind data caps, you might want to compare other providers, guys. So, if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and of course, guys,